The 50 Plus group will be hosting a new fellowship following the Heritage Service beginning Sunday, September 2nd in the Kids Zone area. This will be a time of fellowship and a chance to talk about everyday life issues over coffee and donuts. Everyone is welcome.
Hey New Life women, we are really excited to be able to share with you the upcoming events here at New Life. As we enter into this next season, this fall season, we're going back to school, everyone's really busy. I just want to encourage you to not miss out on everything that's going on. I want to share with you how I know that we as women are better together. As Todd has been studying in James, I look at the scripture, let every person be quick to hear, slow to speak, and slow to anger. I know I'm better when I have women surrounding me, pushing me forward to go after the goal, which is our relationship with Christ. And for that, we are better together. So don't miss out on the upcoming events. We have lots to tell you about today.
This Friday night, September 7th, in the gym at 7 o'clock is our third auction. We are calling this our open auction. You can bring housewares to jewelry to purses. It's $10 a person, and you will get $50 in auction money, and you have to be there. It's going to be a blast. Hope we see you.
The James River Summit is coming up in a little less than a month. You guys only have a couple more weeks to register, so go ahead and do that. Christine Kane, all the way from Australia, is going to be with us. We're going to have awesome worship, after parties, all kinds of great things. So see us in the foyer and sign up. And then don't forget, we have our second women's conference coming up in November. So just be listening for details about that coming up soon.
Our monthly grocery giveaway will be September 8th at 10 a.m. Be sure to get the word out. It's absolutely free and there's no pre-qualifications. And if you would like to volunteer, just call the church office for all the details. If you are 50 or older, mark your calendars for Saturday, September 15th for a 50s, 60s themed fellowship in the gym. Enjoy a catered meal and listen to music of the era. The cost is only $5 per person. Sign up at the Information Center today and see George or Connie Diebert for more details. We will have a small groups training class on September 19th from 7 to 9 p.m. in the Fireside Room. This is a mandatory one-time class for those interested in leading a small group at New Life. You can register at the Information Center and you can see Pastor Barry for details. Check out your bulletin for more announcements and visit us online at www.newlifeoakgrove.com.